Do you feel like you are becoming a slave to social? I know, it totally feels like it, right? All the so-called experts keep telling us we can master it if we do this one thing or do this one thing. And of course, they have that one thing, the solution that's going to solve all of your social media woes. Please, insert eye roll. Can you handle the truth? You'll never win at the game of social. You will never beat the algorithms. They've been designed by brain hackers, so you cannot beat them. I mean, sure, there are certain tricks that you can use to get more eyeballs and more engagement, and they can be helpful in the short term. And then when you feel like you're starting to get some traction, everything changes again and you are back to square one. Which means spending more time learning, cursing, and tearing your hair out trying to win an unwinnable game. Is your sanity worth it? Why do you want to be a slave to social media, the algorithms, and the content beast? I am so over it. So this year I am flipping the switch and focusing 80% of my time on what is proven to work time and time again. And guess what? I'm not alone. I'm hearing more and more comments from micro and small business owners in particular who are just over the whole social media hamster wheel. Social media is supposed to serve you. You're not supposed to be its servant. Now, if you had two choices, one was to spend hours a week creating and posting content that falls flat, or number two, actually spending less time working on marketing tactics that might be less glamorous but kick social media's butt, which would you choose? Well, if you choose option two, then you can start with these quick wins that can flip the switch on your marketing results. Download it now.